one warning, and one decision that changed everything. On May 7, 2020, inside a doctor's office, a routine policy sparked a confrontation that quickly turned physical. Deputies tried to de-escalate, but what happened next shocked everyone in the room. This body cam footage shows how a simple request ended in arrest, resistance, and felony charges.
My son is on with the doctor sitting inside. I told them that after he seen the doctor, I need to talk to her. My son is only 18 years old.
Okay.
And he has a lot of issues, at least 3 different issues. So I told him and he's a kid, he has no idea how to talk to a doctor. So I thought after he see him, I'd like to talk to a doctor about whatever information he can miss.
Okay.
And so they say, I couldn't stay here and I have to leave.
Okay.
And I said, oh, I don't care, I know I can, that this is I can see with him. I perfectly know that I don't want to, I don't need to be with him with the dog. I know I can. I just want to see him after I can talk to her 6 feet away, 10 feet away, 20 feet away, but I need to talk because my husband is, my son is very young and I need to go to over his issues.
I don't know if you're aware, but the doctor's not legally allowed to discuss any of his medical issues with you because he's an adult. Darwin has done permission for him to discuss with me. But the doctor doesn't have to, is what I'm trying to tell you.
She knows me for years, so she knows.
You understand that the rules are different right now because of the virus, and that they don't want people in the building unnecessarily. That's the reason for the.
Totally different. They told me to wait here, and I'm waiting here. And until they start giving help for this because this thing keeps sliding, but I keep putting it down. So there are 2 things. I'm not insisting to see the doctor there with my husband, and I'm just keeping the guideline that they say to stay outside and wait until the doctor is out.
Right, but you're not a patient, and they have asked you to leave the property. Is that correct?
I'm a member of this place.
Well, that really is beside the point. If you're not being treated,
it's not beside the point
no, it is beside the point.
Of this organization. And you're not citing any law, you know?
It's called trespassing. If you've been asked to leave, it's trespassing. You're a customer here, essentially. You're not a member. You don't pay dues. You don't have any right. No, stop.
I pay $700
Stop.
for this.
That is a customer.
No, you're not giving any
Don't
law.
talk over me.
No.
You're going to have a big problem if you keep talking over me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? So
You're going to go to jail for
you are the
trespassing.
military?
No. I'm the law enforcement.
So
And when you trespass, you need to walk outside. Ma'am, yes, you can. Sue them. That's fine. But today you have to leave. Leave. You need to leave. You're being asked now, lawfully, to leave the property. You need to do it outside. Come on. Call your lawyer outside or you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
You are trespassing. You've been asked to leave. You're refusing to leave.
Ask the doctor.
The security here has asked you to leave.
Is the doctor the one who decided?
No.
You
need to leave.
It is the doctor who decided
to
he's seeing me.
Come on. Get up.
It's the doctor who sees
Get up and go outside. You're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm going to go jail
outside.
now?
If you keep it up, you're going to.
Okay, I'm going. Okay, hold on.
Outside.
Just a second.
Ma'am,
Just a second.
I'm not going to continue doing this. That you've been asked to leave, you need to go.
Yes. What are you saying? Say again.
Your son is not a minor.
Ma'am.
He asked you not to come in. You told him he was
Yeah,
a minor.
but I asked you to,
Ma'am.
He asked you to put a
I
mask
asked
on.
you
Ma'am.
to see with the
Come on.
doctor after.
Let's go.
And you're saying I'm trespassing. You're saying I'm trespassing.
You're under arrest. Stop. Stop resisting. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground and stop. Stop. Get on the ground now.
You
Get
wife,
on the ground.
You daughter, you pet, you pet. Now you're very painful dead.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Father,
Ma'am, don't resist us, okay? Stop! Ma'am.
She's been trying to bite you.
I'm not trying to bite you. Liar. Did I bite you?
Yeah, this one.
Ma'am. Just put your arm behind your back, okay?
You want me to help you?
Ma'am.
Watch her, she's been trying to bite you.
I'm not trying to bite you. Fucking liar. Did I bite you? You don't do that liar.
Ma'am. Just put your arm behind your back.
You want me to help you? Where's my phone?
Ma'am. You do the hobble and get in front.
Yeah.
I mean, if that'll be easier for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's not. That's just a one.
Man, we just want you to listen, okay?
No, I want this to fuck off. I'll talk to my lawyer. Don't waste your saliva.
Okay.
Idiot.
They won't work with hinged.
With the what?
Number 14. Right here, Claudia. All right. I'm gonna sit on this bed, okay?
You guys have any information for me for her?
I got her DL. It's just in the car.
Okay, no problem.
Claudia, are you gonna give him your name? Can you swing your feet? Claudia, I'm gonna take one handcuff off, okay? But I have to handcuff you to this bed.
Claudia, what's your birthday?
Just check my hands and my
Well,
face.
they need to. I'm gonna fix this handcuff, okay? In order for them to treat you, they have to know who you are, okay? So please cooperate with them.
Can you see something with my hands on my face?
No, I just need.
Okay, then you can.
You have a driver's license outside?
Yes, I can get you. Yeah,
That'll work.
no problem.
We appreciate this. Just trying to switch around.
I was just making sure they were
Okay,
tight enough since she got out once.
cool.
A little tighter, Claudia. Okay?
The suspect Claudia Avello Munoz was charged with trespassing after warning, resisting an officer with violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer.
Not bad?
No.
I'll get their information. All right, thank you.